I'm just going to do a quick video and show you how to install a chin mount on your helmet. This is going to be the same for every single helmet. So in your little kit, you should have an alcohol prep wipe. So go ahead, clean the area really thoroughly. You might as well just clean some extra on the side here, on the side here. Don't forget here. And just back and forth, clean that sucker, flip your wipe. You know what I'm saying? Just use it all up. Clean that dirty helmet. Okay, and then once you're done, go ahead and take a tissue, something really soft, and just kind of dry it up, clean it up a little bit. Nice and good. This also goes without saying, I would suggest that the writing go up like that. So mine's gonna go like this. And you know, make sure you have it thought out where you want it. Maybe even put your camera on and kind of gauge how high or how low you want it. Mine, I'm gonna use this little spot. I have an HJC CS R3. So you are gonna need a hair dryer, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna heat the helmet up a bit. I'll show you how. So get your hair dryer and just heat the surface nice and evenly. You want to get it warm so it's nice and sticky and adhesive. You want to do that with the helmet and then with the chin mount. So I'll do this first. And then take your chin mount and get it nice and hot. Well, not too hot, but you catch my drift. You want it warm. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and peel my sticky off the adhesive. And I'm just gonna kind of run it in front of the heat like that. It's really hot, so but you want to make sure that gets nice and hot and sticky. Okay, next you want to just go ahead, get her in position, and once you put it on, you're going to want to put quite a bit of pressure for a minute or two or however long you feel is necessary. Okay, so I'm gonna go like that, and I'm just gonna hold this sucker just like that for about a minute. So I went ahead and held quite a bit of pressure on it for about a minute or two, and it seemed to have come out pretty well, except for that corner there seems to not be touching, but the rest of it seems well, so whatever. Looks pretty good. Feels pretty stable. Another part is do not use it right away. Let it sit for about 24 hours and then test it afterwards. It also comes with a little security strap, which I don't know, I may or may not use. And this is the preferred style of clamp that you should use because it has a good angle for GoPros and Insta360s and whatnot. So yeah, it's a pretty obvious video, but some of you might want some help with that. So I hope this did help. If it did, please leave a like, maybe comment, maybe subscribe. I do post a lot of moto and automotive related content. So yeah, thanks for watching, dudes. Peace.